everyone. So my name is Tarelle. I just wanted to share an update on a procedure that I did with Dr. Blumenthal at his Washington office just about 11 months ago. I was suffering with traction alopecia. I wore wigs for many years, and last year, May, I mustered up the courage to finally do something about the hair loss to the front of my head. I did a hair transplant, and today I just wanted to say how grateful I am and how happy I am that I decided to go through with this procedure. The entire front of my hair line was almost like it was receding due to different reasons, and I am very happy with the end result. As you can see there's growth at the sides, growth to the front, and on this side as well. I have not worn my own hair for many years, and I am very happy to be able to do so now. I just wanted to let you all see for yourselves. This is not a paid ad or anything. I just wanted women like me to see that you can do something about your hair loss, and it really helps me feel better about myself. It makes me feel more confident. I don't have to wear wigs anymore. I don't have to wear only head ties. I mean, I still wear them if I choose to, but I don't have to, and I'm very grateful for this. So if you are out there and you are suffering with the same thing as me, traction alopecia, or you have hair loss for any other reason, you should probably consider doing it with Dr. Blumenthal. He's awesome. Thank you. Take care, everyone.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.